Hey guys, today super excited to show you basically an install from start to finish. First I want to show you how the material arrives to your house. Okay, so this is what a standard, average size patio cover would look like. Kind of show you the size of the material and everything. It all comes wrapped up, brand new, ready to go. And then our installers will be here in a minute, and we're going to walk you through the entire install process. And the guys that are coming, Jay, are going to be in one of the SoCal vans, so that'll be a good shot for you. Okay, so here we are back here in the back of the house, and a couple things I want to show you about the layout here. I went ahead and chalked out so you kind of understand what we're going to be doing here. So patio cover is going to start here at the edge on the stucco. It's going to go all the way here. It's going to wrap around the wall, and it's going to end right here at the concrete. Okay, so a lot of people do ask, can you wrap the patio cover around? So we're going to show you that. The answer is yes. Also, the layout's gonna, basically the overhang's gonna go to here where this chalk mark is. These X's are rough locations where the posts are gonna go. So in this specific patio cover, you got 3 posts. And as far as electrical, what we're gonna do is this one's gonna have a fan right here, and it's gonna have 3 LED lights, one right here, another one right here, and then another one over here. This is gonna be his barbecue area. So he'll be barbecuing and with an LED light right here that'll help see what he's doing. Height's gonna be right at 9 feet. What we're gonna do as far as the electrical, the fan, we're gonna pull power from upstairs. So the fan will end up being on a remote. The LED lights, we're gonna pull power from the porch light right here. So when you turn the switch on inside, it turns the LED lights on as well. The porch light will still remain working. And yeah, so we're gonna get this going now. I thought this would be a good house because it's got clean artificial grass, Okay guys, so our team just got here. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you back to the back, and I'm gonna show you kind of how the process gets started, and then take you through this step by step throughout the day. Okay guys, so we just took you through the whole process of how to build one of these patio covers. It took just under a day. It took about 6 hours. And if this is something you're looking to do, give us a call or hit the link below, and let's get you started.
think it's the crazy. The Mexicans, they're out there full jeans, jacket, freaking.
Okay guys, so as you see, we just finished this up in less than a day. Most patio covers are going to take anywhere from 1 to 3 days to install, depending on the size and the complexity. So, you know, if this is something you're looking to do, give us a call or click the link below, and we'll see you on the next video.